Welcome back to Kushtka Garage, everyone. I have an unboxing video for you today. So the boys over at Sentley seen my transmission cooler install video, said, "Hey, Kush, we like your style. How about we send you over a couple more of those coolers, you do an unboxing video, share them with your viewers." I said, I think they'll like that. So, cue that intro video. Alright, so I put the same cooler on Pig, the Alaskan Overland rig. Pig's a 2001 GMC Sierra 3500 crew cab long bed dually with that beautiful LB7 6.6 Duramax engine in it. And I've had it for about 6 months now, and I gotta tell you that cooler has been performing. I'll tell you more about that later and show it to you on old Pig over there. First, let's go ahead and bust into this. I can't tell you how much I've wanted to just crack this open and just see what is inside. And I've had this probably for about 2 days now, and it's been killing me. So I was like, I gotta do this video so I can open up this box, see what's inside. So here we are. Let's go ahead and open this up. Well, they sent me a silver one and a black one, so that you can see the color difference here. This is a complete kit. Comes with everything that you need to install it. It is a plug and play. So this comes with some 3/8 hose. Comes with a hardware bag. And this hardware bag is going to have everything you need to install. Here's some mounting bracketry, so you can cut that to size, mount it however you need to get it inside of your truck. Comes with some nice bolts for mounting, some screws if you wanted to mount that way, so you have a couple of different options, and we have a variety of fittings here that we can use depending on your application, how you want to do this, because this is a universal kit, so it works for a variety of different things. And let's see what else we got here. We got our washers, of course, and then we have a nice bag of hose fittings. Oh, can't forget our little locking washers. Pretty complete kit. And now, I'll show you the actual cooler. So this one's the silver cooler. As you can see, it is an absolute beast. Comes in good condition. Yeah, this is nice. This is like the one that I got. Yeah, absolute monster compared to the one I took off old Pig. I was having some cooling issues, so I needed an upgrade. Found these guys, gave it a try. I've been running it for the past 6 months, and it has been absolutely fantastic. Let me tell you more about that after I bust into this other box here so we can see what the black one looks like. Alright, this is going to be the black transmission cooler, same kit, just a different color. Alright, comes packed the same. Got all the hardware, got your 3/8 hose, and, ooh, that's pretty. And there's the black one. That looks really nice. Like they did a good job painting that. I'll go ahead and put them side by side. Give you a close-up. I got it installed on my truck right now. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the truck in a little ways, pop the grill, and I'll show you what this unit looks like installed on an actual truck. All right, there it is, installed on Pig, bugs and all. Like I said, this has been on my truck for the past 6 months now, working for me, and it's been working out pretty good. Now for the installation, it was very straightforward. It was literally plug and play. The only difference is because this is a 1-ton diesel, my lines required 5/8, not a 3/8, and so I just got bigger hoses and adapted up. Ran the same cooler and works just fine. Works great. Actually keeps my temps below overheating, well within operating range. And if you got a Chevy like I do, or a GMC like I do, and many other types of vehicles, your transmission fluid will run through your radiator and then run through your transmission cooler, and this serves the purpose of during cold starts, especially if you live in a cold place like I do. This will heat up your transmission fluid when you're warming up your vehicle, because that fluid's going to be going through the radiator. That radiator is also, of course, circulating the coolant. Coolant's heating up because it's circulating through the engine, and so there's this type of symbiotic relationship between the radiator for the coolant and this radiator for the transmission cooler. And I tell you that because I have noticed that even my engine temps are down a little bit when I'd expect them to be in excess of 210 degrees. I am now barely hitting about 10 degrees. So I got about 10 degrees cooler on the engine side, and you know, depending on what I'm doing, at least 20 degrees cooler on the transmission side. So it has been a huge help, and it does work. And for something so affordable, why not? That's initially what drew me to this in the first place, and the fact that I could install it on literally any one of my rigs. Get you another close up there. And because I'm here, might as well show you what that black one looks like in place. So that's what the black one would look like. If I'm crafty and post-edit, I'll show you what my original cooler looked like next to one of these coolers. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you, show you what these coolers look like when they're unboxed, talk about my experience with them, and would I buy them again? Absolutely, 100% Kushtika Garage approved. I have put these to the test. So if you have any kind of work truck, or you have a car, you have a gasoline car, you have a diesel car, you have a gasoline truck or a diesel truck, don't be shy about getting one of these. Don't worry about them underperforming, because they perform like freaking champions. I will tell you that if it works in a 1-ton dually diesel application such as I have with that 6.6 LB7 Duramax, then it'll work for pretty much anything. All the big rigs, all the small rigs, everything in between. I can't wait to install one on my Chevy Silverado, my 92 Chevy Silverado. So stay tuned for that video, and if you haven't already, make sure to check out the transmission cooler install video, and you can see how it's done, as well as, you know, stay tuned and subscribe, because we're going to be installing more of these as well. Give you one more close up, and then we'll close out of here. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.